unchanged team yesterday, and that's what it is. The side that started 3 of their 4 matches in the competition. They've scored 11 goals, 3 each for Neymar and Fred, who's got his in the last 2 games. Up against current club mates are Real Madrid's Marcelo and Barcelona's Dani Alves, with Neymar, of course, Barcelona bound himself next season. We've got a Dutchman refereeing, Bjorn Kuipers. That's a surprise only in that FIFA generally wouldn't appoint someone from the same continent as one of the teams involved, but there has been a feeling that the European officials at the competition have performed at the highest level. Federations Cup final, and it is Brazil. We can't blame tiredness yet.
Yeah, I just think with Spain, with the way they've started, where
Hulk in towards Fred, bounced off Neymar's heel, and he's gone to the net. Fred scored. The Maracanã erupts. One of the scrappiest goals we've seen in the competition. Poked home by Brazil's number 9.
well, Brazil conceded a scrappy goal against Uruguay, and that's the Spanish turn as well. No one in the Spanish team really got to grips with it at all. It came off Casillas here in the end, and Fred's just lying on the floor, and it sits up lovely for him. Look. And PK's all over the top.
He's looking for Torres, it nearly came to Pedro, and there are strong shouts of handball.
I'm not sure about that at all, but again, when the ball...
That's PK. Backfield to Oscar. Well, should he have scored? He certainly only missed by a whisker.
He should have scored. It's a fantastic opportunity. Fantastic.
Paulinho pressing. And he got the ball under his studs, and he nearly caught out Casillas.
It's great pressing. Yeah, it's great pressing from Brazil. Absolutely.
In the box and joined by Pedro. Torres was having a... forward by Marcelo. That wasn't a cynical taking out. Bjorn Kuipers has got the yellow card out. I've seen that. That's all it is.
I think the thing as well about this is that Neymar throws himself once there's contact.
He's left the door open for Ramos to have a go. Torres! A good burst from Iniesta and a long-range drive. And Julio Cesar has had something to do.
Yeah, I'm not so sure it was going in. I think he might have seen this quite late.
Fred, a little lift towards Hulk. Up towards Fred, controlled it well. Couldn't find the finish this time.
No, his movement.
And he's got support. And is that a foul? It is. Just outside the box, the yellow card's out.
Oh, they want a red again, look. Dani Alves, what a shot.
Sergio, a step and touch shot. Or something different. It's lashed by Hulk.
Yeah, it's a clever free kick because it takes away the wall and touch from Neymar. Actually was wasted in the end.
PK short. Wouldn't have thanked him for that. Iniesta, that's a lunge. And it's going to be a yellow card. It's Oscar. It's not his first tackle, is it?
No.
In from Neymar. Fred attacked it. Well, he's got his 1. He could have had 2 or 3.
Yeah.
Strong running from Hulk. Neymar. He's got it through. Good save, Casillas. Tame finish from Fred.
Spain giving the ball away, some 70 yards away from goal. How big could this set?
Lovely ball for Mata. Pedro to the right. Pedro's in. David Luiz with a wonderful clearance.
Absolutely brilliant. I don't know how he's managed to get this up and over. Great anticipation.
He's defended like that in every game. To the game. Oscar. It's back with Neymar, who's onside. And he's found the net. He nearly burst it.
because he came to come in to bring Arbeloa, and in the end he came out again, and the little exchange as well with Oscar was excellent. Great ball from Oscar. It's almost go and whack that in the top corner, which is exactly what he's done. I think Arbeloa's given him a bit too much room, but even so, he waited.
American are. Brazil 2, Spain 0.
There you go. That was the second of 2 goals for Brazil in that first half from Neymar.
The Brazilians will tire, but it isn't going to look like it. I mean, I think they need a miracle myself, the way the Brazil are playing, and I can't see any way back for the Spanish.
Even with the style they're playing at.
Thanks, Gary. We're under Marcelo. Hulk. Held off Jordi Alba. Comes through to Fred. Just about all over. Fred second. Brazil third. Spain are being spanked.
That's such a measured, calm finish as well, isn't it? They had an extra man all the time, and they knew exactly what they wanted to do, Brazil, which was get it into Fred. Marcelo actually with the run. Referee played on as well. Just here, look, just there. Step over, he waits, measured. Does he see this late? So I've got a completely different right side.
Pedro. Iniesta. Marcelo.
Oh, it's
a penalty. Marcelo stretched out a leg, and he just caught enough of Jesus Navas to force the winger down.
It's a cheap penalty as well for Brazil to give away. He stops him going down the line, turns him inside. It's contact, it's a penalty.
Cesar. And he's put it wide. Normally so reliable from 12 yards. We've seen him do it in shootouts. Now we've seen him do that.
I thought for a split second, guy, that Cesar might have had a touch, but that's a poor penalty. Just sums up Spain's not.
Way to the bench in very disgruntled fashion, and on comes David Villa. Pedro, 3 in the box for him. Hulk has got away from Jordi Alba. Casillas did enough to put him off. This could get embarrassing for Spain.
Well, this
could be one here. Casillas is out, and just back again to Marcelo. Had to square it to Fred. That's what he tried to do.
Well, I'm not sure, you know. I think he thought that he could.
Busquets. Now against Piqué, and he's passed him as well. Piqué's in trouble. Piqué's in big trouble. Piqué's off.
You watch Piqué here. He knew exactly what he was going to do. It's like we're 3-0 down. I'm not chasing him. He's just going to take him out. It's exactly what he did. There you go.
Spanish players around the referee, who was given no option at all. It's Neymar. Not sure Casillas was getting there. It might well be, but we're going to see an exhibition.
First half, and it's definitely roles reversed. And
Playing beautifully. Ramos is there, away with a skip and a hop. Tried to go all the way.
They did well though, the Spanish.
You never know, might get one in the final. Spain might get one. No, Julio Cesar. What a superb save. Pedro denied. Nothing for Spain to cheer at all.
He did everything.
Waving goodbye to Spain's long run. Here's Joe. Joe's gone for goal. Too hot for Casillas to handle. Maybe not the right option for Joe to pick. Neymar poked away. Very good player. David Villa. Villa! They're not going to get one.
He's like...
Your name's not on it, Mark. I've looked. Into the second minute of added on time. And it's all over. Brazil are back. The first team to beat Spain in a game of any magnitude for 3 years. A team that has laid down a real statement of intent for when we're all back here in a year's time for the FIFA World Cup. The Confederations Cup is their competition once more. 3 wins in a row. This one means more than any of the others. This has been at the Maracanã. This has been a Brazilian rebirth. 2 goals for Fred, 1 for Neymar. Spain missing a penalty and down to 10 before the end as their World